What's up, LinkedIn? This video is about the biggest mistake that I see people who create content and publish it on LinkedIn make. So in this video, we're going to talk about the biggest mistake that content creators make on LinkedIn. And the biggest mistake I think people do is they focus too much on the platform. They're focusing on getting likes, comments, engagement, followers. Are you crazy? You're measuring the wrong things, all right? Business is about return on investment. You need to be working out exactly where you're getting your where you're getting your value from, because you can't add value to more people unless you're making a profit on social media. There's no point spending 12 hours a day on LinkedIn with 120,000 followers and 33,000 comments per video post if you're not turning into a return on investment. So it all starts with strategy, right? If you're going to go skydiving out of an airplane, and I've done this, right, you want to make sure that you've got somebody who's attached to you that knows what they're doing. They know when to pull the parachute, they know where to land, they know exactly what they're doing, so that you have a good experience. Because if you do it without someone with experience on your back, you'll find that it doesn't end too well. So it all starts with strategy. Where's your return on investment? Work out a plan to actually generate a return on investment from your content marketing, and then start adding value through things like videos and articles and content like that. Biggest mistake you can make on LinkedIn with your content, guys, is not generating return on investment.